Linking your bank account to Middlesex Savings Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have your Middlesex Savings Bank account number and the routing number for the bank you want to link. You may also need your personal identification information for verification. Step 2. Log into your Middlesex Savings Bank account. Visit the Middlesex Savings Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to the account linking section. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Linking or External Accounts. This is typically found under the Settings or Account Management menu. Step 4. Enter your external bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify the link. After entering your information, submit the request to link your bank account. You may receive a verification email or text message. Follow the instructions provided to confirm the link and complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Middlesex Savings Bank, allowing for easier transfers and management of your finances.